Well, you know, spring is the best time to work on home projects. Not too hot yet, and you get to tackle all those projects now so you can actually enjoy your summer. If you're still putting your to-do list together, home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery and her son Dylan are both joining us now with some trending projects to get our home in tip-top shape. How you doing there, Kathryn?
Always love chatting with you, Eric. You put it perfectly. Let's get outside and get everything ready for the weather a-coming. I love it. My favorite time of the year.
Yeah, last thing you want to do is be doing all this stuff in the summer. So get it done now. And it starts with being able to see out of your windows. One of the products you have here, I've used it before. You don't have to get up on that ladder with the squeegee and put your life at risk.
You put it perfectly. So, you know, I have a way for you to clean your entire house and your windows without ever getting on a ladder. It is so easy to do. So this is Rejuvenate. It's outdoor house wash and window cleaner. Number one, I love that you get both those products in one bottle. And it's so easy to use, like I said. So you'll just attach a garden hose to the end of it. That's all you need. Like you said, Eric, no ladder. And then you'll simply rinse the area. So whether it's stucco, vinyl, paint, whatever it is, then you'll spray the formula. You'll wait 2 minutes, and then you'll spray it again and rinse it off. And that is it. You're going to get a streak-free shine. Here you go. Dylan's going to show you how high it can get. You're going to get that. Go ahead, buddy.
Here we go, Dylan.
You get that streak.
Whoa,
see how high that gets? It gets up to the right? It gets up to the second story. So it's super easy, and it's safe. As you can see, it's safe for plants and grass too. So we're good to go there. We might be a little wet, but that's all. It's all in the name of television today.
Watering the lawn there too. And what's to the right there? That one takes up a little space, but it may be well worth it.
Oh, this is the big size one. That's why this is the Vegapod Raise Garden Bed Kit, and it is amazing. I have a black thumb, and I can never grow anything. With this, you can. So let me tell you the features of it. Number one, it's self-watering. So you'll just attach the hose right there to that. It's going to give this fine mist overhead. We got some great B-roll of it. The fine mist will sprinkle down. It's a reservoir down below with a wicking system, Eric. So you can plant whatever you want. Like I'm going to have Swiss chard in the back. I'm going to have my mojito garden in the front. The roots will know with that reservoir, they'll go down and get the exact amount of water they need. You could go on vacation for a couple weeks and never have to worry about it. And then you see this mesh covering. So that's going to protect us from all of our bugs, critters. We have, you know, San Diego, you got rabbits, everything. So the nice thing is the light is going to be able to get in, but not too much, but it's going to protect from weather, like if we have a freeze or a heat wave. So it really creates a photosynthesis environment. So it actually grows stuff faster. And then I love the height. Like I don't want to bend down and garden, right? So this is Vegapod Raised Garden Bed Kit. Just an amazing way everybody can effectively grow with this thing.
That had some success on Shark Tank too, I understand.
Yeah, in Australia it is. They're an Aussie company, family company, just really great people.
There you go. Hey, if you want to do a little bit more serious project but really add some value to your house, it could start with the deck, right?
Absolutely. So outdoor living is huge. I mean, it's always been huge in San Diego, but just extending that comfortable living space. So create a deck, but Eric, do it with materials that don't require much maintenance, because who wants to go out again and think about staining, painting, refinishing? So I love this. I found this Zuri Premium Decking by Royal Building Products. Look at how amazing it looks. Wow. It's got the look of real exotic wood, and it comes in 6 different finishes: walnut, weather gray, hickory. You could do these beautiful inlay patterns. So, you know, you like go to some of those restaurants and you see these beautiful patterns. You can do this because it's super easy. It's scratch, stain, and moisture resistance. I love it. They told me you lay it down 25 years later, it's going to look almost the same. I mean, you had me at hello. I don't want to worry about my products. Right?
So it's not wood. So what is this? Is it like a pipe, PVC kind of?
It's a premium composite decking. Oh, okay. So it's much better than their composite. It's basically premium composite decking.
What else are you looking at?
So, all right. And now last but not least, my friend. So, you know, we all need to clean outside.
Oh, yes. I spend a lot of time with that garage broom. Yes.
Oh, so I love this one. This is the Quickie Multi-Surface Fiberglass Push Broom. And here's why I love it, Eric, because it's durable. So prime example, my husband ran over it with a car and it still was built to last. And then also weather resistant, because I don't want to think about my cleaning products. I just want to leave it outside and have it be there when I need it. So it's going to, any rains, whatever we get in San Diego, luckily we don't get too extreme, but you get the point. You can leave it outside. Yeah. It's still going to be good to go. The bristles are stiff and soft, so you're going to get big and small messes. Dylan's out there sweeping. Dylan, jump on it. Throw it on the ground and jump on the.
Dylan's actually mock sweeping right now. He needs to really. There we go. Look at that. It's Dylan proof.
I mean, it's kid proof, it's car proof, it's everything proof. So this is, and you go in and find this guy at Home Depot, but just a great product by Quickie. He says, that's all I got.
That's all he's got. Well, that was good enough. You know what? You're right, because I leave my garage broom outside because it gets so much stuff on it, but I think it's got some wood on it. It doesn't work so well. Everything okay over there? Everyone working okay?
Yeah, that was actually a mom faux pas, not a Dylan faux pas. You're okay over there, right?
Nice job, Dylan. Thanks for your help, buddy. Is he doing the robot right now?
Good job. He dropped his earpod in the grass. Real life TV here, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm glad he was part of the segment. Hey, Kathryn, if people want to get more ideas, where can they go?
Everybody should go to BeTheBestHome.com for more information on all these products and, of course, awesome, great tips.
Great ideas to get your spring cleaning, your projects going here so you can actually enjoy the summer. And you and Dylan can hang out. You don't have to put him to work so much.
I know. Do I have to pay you for this?
Maybe discuss my fee.
Oh man, they're getting too old.
Yeah, he's got a contract, I think, to work out with you. All right, Kathryn, thanks for your time, and thanks, Dylan. Nice job, buddy.
You get a new broom.
Yes.
That's what Dylan gets.
Exactly. And you get to go sweep the patio.
You're welcome.
Mama's
Dylan.
helper here today. I'd like to see that. All right, we're taking a quick break. We'll be right back.